Does this sometimes happen to you?
Come canna te mi where the museum. Sorry. What did he say?
You know some English vocabulary and grammar, but when you speak, sometimes people just can't understand you. Clear pronunciation is really important from beginner level to advanced level. How do you master basic English pronunciation? Let me show you in 15 minutes. Hello, it's Keith from the Keith Speaking Academy. Today, I will show you 3 things that will help you be understood when you speak English. By the end of this video, you will know how to stress important words, how basic English rhythm works, how to say the 6 most important sounds in English. And there is a workbook to practice and review. You can get the workbook by clicking on the link below in the description. Let's begin. Okay, number 1, word stress. Look at this sentence. How do you say that? In English, we don't say, I'm going to have the fish. No, we say, I'm going to have the fish. We stress the big words. Going, have, fish. We stress the nouns, the verbs, the adjectives, the adverbs, the big words. I'm going to have the fish. And we stress by being louder, higher, and sometimes longer. I'm going to have the fish. Got it? Now, you try. I'm going to have the chicken. Okay, next. Number 2, English rhythm. Do you like music? Jazz rhythm is a bit like this. Pop or rock rhythm is English rhythm is dee 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 dee. It's a bit like that. So, do you remember the restaurant yesterday? We had I'd like the fish. Remember the stress. I'd like the fish. And the rhythm, I'd like the fish. Dee 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 dee. I'd like the fish. I'd like the chicken. I'd like the eggs. Try. Great. Now, the 6 most important sounds in English. Practice these and they will help you be understood and help you speak clearly. Remember, in English, many sounds come from the front of the mouth. Not here, but here. We move our lips and mouth a lot. Right? Hello, my name is Keith. The mouth moves a lot. So, number 1. A. Hey. Say. Pay. A. The sound slides. A. 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 The mouth moves. A. Got it? the main vowels, A, E, I, O, U, in English, slide. A, E, I, O, U. Can you see that? Number 2. X, X, X. At the end, like chopsticks. X, X, K. The K is at the back. S, X. Chopsticks. Drinks. He takes. He walks. Number 3. I slides. I, my, wine. I'd like a glass of wine. Try? Great. Number 4. O. O. The mouth starts wide and then closes. Oh. No. Hello. Go. So. Number 5. St. 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 Best. Stop. Most. St. Good. Number 6. You. You. Look at the shape. You. You. 2. Menu. Juice. I'd like a juice, please. That's it. 6 important sounds for you to practice. Get the workbook. Click on the link below. Review and practice. You can also listen in the workbook. So remember, practice. Practice pronunciation every day. When you study vocabulary and grammar, practice pronunciation. It's really important. And then you can speak clearly and everybody will understand you. So now you have vocabulary, you can order in a restaurant, you've got pronunciation. Next, you need, well, practice. How do you practice? Well, in tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you how to practice and give you a study routine. That is in the video lesson tomorrow. For today, thank you so much for watching me, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Take care now. All the best. Bye-bye.